Look at her. She's in full mama mode. Happy to be taking a break. Every mama needs that every now and then. Such a beautiful day. God has made. By His grace. It's a beautiful one. So, I must say it's been a minute since I've been out too. The last time I tried to go for a walk down through here, I slipped. As you can see, it's got a lot of leaves. It's not like it was when I first started, with actually clear path. So I slipped. I already have a herniated disc and stuff, and I fell, and it hurt me a little bit more. And come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, fat man, good boy. And yeah, I'm trying to recover, and it's been a little over a week since I've been able to go for a good walk, and today I felt good enough to where it was so beautiful, and I missed it so much. I just pushed myself to get out here today. I'm a little sore still. Obviously, that's kind of ongoing. I'm still so blessed. I challenge all my people that are listening that might come across this, of all ages, but especially the younger generation that are stuck in their phones. Please, 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 please get out. Ground yourself, seek our God. He's in everything all around us. And it's too beautiful to miss. We're not always promised today or tomorrow. So we must seize each and every one we get with a heart of gratitude. So, it's too easy to turn on a game and get on your phone and swipe and swipe and swipe. But it is so rewarding when you put it down and you go outside for a little walk.